Blood moon. Alright, peace. So we talking blood moon, right? Big thing, blood moon. Okay. What is the blood moon? Blood moon occurs whenever the full moon or the new moon, really only the full moon, because you can't even see the new moon. Can I do my video, please? Okay, good, thank you. It's when the full moon is near the north or south node. Alright? Go look it up right now. The north node is 5 degrees Leo, and the south node is 5 degrees Aquarius. They're always opposite from each other. The sun is 4 degrees Leo right now, maybe 5, can't remember. And Mom, be quiet. And the moon, when it gets completely full, will be 4 or 5 degrees Aquarius. Alright? That's how the blood moon is. It's just when it's near the north node. And the reason why it's like special, more specialer than other full moons, is because the north node points you to your destiny. The north node is where the direction your soul is traveling in this lifetime. Is where it's aspiring to be. So wherever your north node is in your chart is very important. It's another thing that's very important about your chart. Ma, can you please be quiet? Just something else that you need to study in your own chart. And that's why I do simple charts where I give you your chart and I give you the ways for you to research yourself. Alright? Can't nobody tell you nothing about you, man, more than you can. So that's how the blood moon is. I mean, not to say that it's not important, but every freaking day is important when you're studying yourself, But, the blood moons, they will typically bring out things that tie directly to your spiritual destiny. So, bask in it. See what's going on in life, see what happens, see what comes up, see what thoughts, see what you feel like doing. Okay, because the sun is gonna be on the north node. So that means your will is gonna be to do your, what you came here to do. And that's not the only thing you came here to do in your chart. It's not your only, because life is layered, okay? It's multiple things that your spirit came here to accomplish. There's multiple things you can do in one lifetime. Multiple lessons you can learn. You learn every day. So that's what it's about. But your north node is gonna tell you one of the bigger ones. So that's what your blood moon is about. Sun in Aquarius, sun in Leo, moon in Aquarius. Peace.